And we have breaking news coming in. Leaders of the INDIA bloc are going after former Telangana Chief Minister KCR. After the Congress, it's the JDU that's now demanding probe into the phone tapping matter. The JDU leader, KC Tyagi, has gone on to say that KCR ordered phone tapping to save K. Kavita.
केसीआर और उनका सारा परिवार राजनीति के बड़े पदों पर भी आसीन था और भ्रष्टाचार में भी लिप्त था, जो अब अदालत की कार्रवाई से स्पष्ट होता जा रहा है। वो अपनी सुपुत्री कविता जी को बचाने के लिए सभी तरह के प्रयासों में लगे हुए थे, जिसमें मंत्रियों अधिकारियों के टेपिंग के मामले भी शामिल थे। मैं चाहता हूं कि इसकी उच्च स्तरीय जांच हो और जो इसमें संलग्न लोग हैं उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई।
And that's the NDA. It is JDU which is attacking KCR, and that's a reaction coming in from NDA leaders, which is they are now escalating the attack. Let's now tell our viewers about the entire controversy, and Shomit is joining us live. We are getting to know that there was an entire snooping row that took place, and these allegations are very serious in nature, Shomit. And this happens at a time when we are very, very close to...
Shocking revelations have been made by the, not the politicians or not just, laymen. They are the, two are the serving officers, and they have been suspended now recently after Congress formed the government. And also one has, one officer who leaded the Hyderabad Commissioner's Task Force, and he had, almost each and every resource within him, with his team, and to carry out any operation in entire Hyderabad city. And he used to give each and every input to the SIB teams, and SIB teams used to give those inputs to him. And at the same time, they used to give inputs to the SOT, Special Operation Teams of the Rachakonda Police Commissionerate, of Cyberabad Police Commissionerate. And they used to get the instructions from the top BRS leaders. And former intelligence chief, SIB chief, Prabhakar Rao, who is right now in the United States, he later fled away after immediately case has came to limelight. And after Praneeth Rao, former DSP, he served as an intelligence officer, and later he was serving as an DSP officer. Later he was suspended, he was arrested, and later Tirupatanna, additional SP, he was suspended, he was arrested. And now Bhujanga Rao, additional SP, suspended, his confession statement, and former task force DCP, his confession is out, and shocking revelations can be seen. And they have directly taken the name of former then Chief Minister, and he has hatched a plan. And actually, in the confession statement, they have stated that SIB team at the intelligence unit and also the task force unit have strategized the alleged MLA poaching case. At that time, we have reported from the ground where it was stated that unknown Swamijis tried to poach BRS MLAs into the BJP party.
Right.
And later, the matter has been transferred to the CBI. So even in that case, it was stated that it was been strategized and only to build pressure on the BJP to get rid of the ED case on Kavita.
So be it the Congress or allies of the NDA, they are all now questioning KCR. And one big charge that they are leveling today is that this was nothing but an attempt to save K. Kavita, who's facing charges of corruption in connection with liquor.